Hi guys, so I'm here with our math lesson for today, and this week, today and the next couple days, we're going to focus a lot on money. So same with the clock, we have mainly done money in our calendar math and we haven't really focused much on it, so we're going to get back to it. But we really know some coins are off the back. The first coin that we are very good at is the penny. And who is on the front of the penny? That's right, Abraham Lincoln. And what president was he? Yes, he was our 16th president. Very good. How much is a penny worth? 1 cent. Very good. A penny's worth 1 cent. And who remembers what is on the back of the penny? Yeah, Lincoln Memorial. However, the penny Miss Bowden's got it's just got this little symbol that says 1 cent on it. It's not really the Lincoln Memorial, it's just a shield on it. But certain pennies have different backs on it, same as like our quarter. We're going to talk about that in a bit. But a penny's still a penny. It's our only bronze coin, and it is all worth 1 cent. So when we're counting by pennies, we count by ones. Very good. So if I have 5 pennies, that's worth 5 cents. If I have 26 pennies, it's worth 26 cents. Very good. Okay, that other coin that we discussed and that we went over was this coin. This is a nickel. Very good. Who remembers who was on our nickel? Thomas Jefferson. And what president was he? Yeah, he was our 3rd president. Very good. Does anybody remember the name of the place that's on the back of the nickel? It was Thomas Jefferson's house. Do we remember the name of it? Monticello. Very good. Here's the back of our nickel with his house on the back of it. And how much is 1 nickel worth? 5 cents. Very good. Now, if we look at the nickel and we use the nickel to count, what are we going to be counting by? 5s. Very good. So I can say 5, 10, 15, 20. If I have 3 nickels, how much would that be? 5, 10, 15. Very good. But if I hold the nickel up to this silver coin as well, look at the size difference. The nickel is bigger than this tiny one. What is the name of this tiny silver coin? It is a dime. Very good. And how much is a dime worth? 10 cents. Very good. A dime is worth 10. Who remembers who's on the front of our dime? Yeah, Franklin Roosevelt. Very good. Franklin Delano Roosevelt. Very good. And the back, we said, was a lot of the torches and olive branches on it. Oh, Miss Bowden, I think, has it upside down. Yep, I sure do. So we learned a lot about our penny, our nickel, and our dime. 3 coins. If I were to count these coins, I could say I have how many cents? Very good. 10 plus 5 is 15, plus 1 more is 16. I have 16 total cents. Now there's one more silver coin that Miss Bowden hasn't taught you that I want to teach you for today so you can work on your money activities. This, anybody know what type of coin this is? It is a quarter. Very good. It is a quarter. And how much is 1 quarter worth? It is worth 25 cents. Very good. A quarter's worth 25 cents. We have 4 quarters and $1. Okay, let's go and look at the back of the quarter. Here's the back. Now, the back of the quarters look very different, each one, because some of them have each one of our 50 states on the back, but some of the quarters have the bald eagle, which is the United States bird. It's our country's bird, the bald eagle. So that's on the back of most quarters, or one of the states might be on the back with cool fun facts about that state. But on the front, who knows what president might be on the front? He was our very first president. Clue number 1. Clue number 2, he had white hair and a wig. We kind of learned about him. Some say he had wooden teeth. Yeah, George Washington. I'm glad you remembered about him. Very good. So George Washington was our very first president who is on our quarter. Now we've got 4 quarters to $1. And how much is it worth again? 25 cents. Very good. So 1 quarter is worth 25 cents. What if I added a quarter and a nickel together? How much would I have? 25 cents plus, how much is a nickel? 5 cents. So 25 plus 5 gives me, some of you might already know, or you can count up, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30 cents. Very good. What if I have a quarter and a penny? That's an easy one. How much cents is that? 26 cents. Very good. And then what if I had a quarter and a dime? 25 plus 10. Oh, that's just 10 more than a number. That one should be easy. What might that be? 35. Very good. Okay, so what if I put the quarter, the dime, the nickel, and the penny, all of these together? I'm going to give you a little bit. Add up all of these together. 25, 10, 5, and 1. Think about it. We know 25 plus 10 gives us 35. 35 plus 5 gives us 40. And 40 plus 1 gives us 41. Very good. So today for your math, I want you to go find coins around the house. And I want you to sort them into groups of pennies or nickels or dimes or quarters. Count how many pennies you have in your group. Count how many dimes you have in your group. Count how many nickels you have in your group. Count how many quarters you have. Then count up and see the total amount that you have in each group. So if I had 5 dimes, I would have 50 cents. But if I had 5 pennies, I would only have 5 cents. So what would I rather have, 5 dimes or 5 pennies? 5 dimes, because it's worth way more. Yeah, very good. Okay, so besides that, play with some money. See how much things are worth, or use some money to count and add up. But today what Miss Bowden's going to go ahead and give you is I'm going to give you your math homework today. Days 17 and 18 for March. We're almost finished with March. Can you believe it? It's going to be April already, and it's been 3 weeks since you've been without me, and I've been without you, and I miss you guys so much. But we're going to try to make the most of this, and I'm going to still do my videos every day for you. And I want you to still do your videos and pictures to send to me because I love it. But you're going to have your math homework to do that I'm sending you, and then I'm sending you a math game. It's called Lucky's Treasure Hunt, and it's a money game. The directions are right here on the bottom for you to play, or you can make up your own way of playing the game. But it has to deal with money, with pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. So that's why we were reviewing money today, and I'm giving you some more games that you can play at home with money. All right, here's another money page to practice. This page has got some coins at the bottom, and they have some amounts up here, and they want you to cut out and paste the coins to the amounts. If you are not sure of what the coin is, take the real life coins out and put them next to it and see which one matches with what to make sure that you're using the right coins. And then I'm going to give you just some simple math pages to do today. These are going to be fun and just review your basic addition and subtraction skills. And they are color the sum and color the difference. Remember, the word sum is answer to an addition problem, and difference is answer to a subtraction problem. So whatever your answer is to those problems, you color it that color. And whatever your answer is to these subtraction problems, you color it the color it tells you. Have fun and enjoy your math for today. I'll be right back with your reading, language, and writing.